This 2026 Newmar Grand Star 3940 is a Super CRV. It is located in Dover, Florida, 33527 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Tampa. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 7 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Super C features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2026 Newmar Grand Star 3940 is built on a Freightliner S2RV chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.